everyone, it's Chadni. Welcome to Super School. And early in the morning, I was thinking what might be the content today that I could speak on. Then I thought, or it just came to my mind, that a lot of people might be appearing for IELTS exam over the world, not only in Bangladesh, but all over the world. And because of this difficult situation where we are home quarantined, maybe they're not being able to go to the institutions for giving IELTS speaking test. So what you can do is you can practice it at home by yourself. Why not? There are a lot of samples available in Google or in many other websites, and you could just download the sample and practice it by yourself. And for your kind information, I would like to explain to you the entire process of the speaking test. So the IELTS speaking test is mainly divided into three parts. In the first part, there will be some direct questions which the examiner will ask to you, and you must answer the direct questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Do not answer the questions elaborately. Directly address the question and try to understand the question very well. Next, the second part, which is the cue card session, which is also known as the most terrified one. Yes, because when I used to take speaking tests, I was an IELTS instructor and I used to take speaking tests. At that time, most of the people who were quite good at speaking English, but then they would struggle with this second part, with the cue card session, because instantly you cannot come up with ideas that you can put in to speak for 2 minutes continuously, and because you'll be given only 1 minute to prepare your topic. Yes, and the topics are mostly descriptive. They are not that difficult, but it might depend on your luck on the situation. Nevertheless, you have to speak for 2 minutes in the cue card session, and you'll have 1 minute to prepare yourself. And in the third part, some questions that might be related to the cue card topic or questions from elsewhere will be asked to you, which are mostly opinionative. Yes, so like, what do you think about the upcoming generation's dependency on technology? Oh, wow, that's a nice topic. Anyways, so that's about it. These are the contents that you will find in the speaking test, and you can download the samples and practice it by yourself, and let me know the problems that you're facing, because in the next video I will discuss more elaborately that how the speaking tests are marked by the examiners. Yes. So that's why you have to stay tuned and let me know in the comment box what more I can discuss so that it would help you to enhance your knowledge further. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.